What's going on, guys? Let's take a look at this crazy market. Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's a move I like to see. Hell yeah. Woo! Now that's a lot of damage. Holy cow. Yep. That's a rip your face rally right there. Let's take a look. Let's see actually how much the Dow Jones is up now. Ooh, 17%. Just need 20% and we're back in that bull market rally. You know, we're in a bull market if we rally 20%. So let's see how it happens. Dow Jones is getting close. S&P, let's see what the S&P is from its lows. S&P is doing pretty good. S&P from its lows, let's take a good look. It is up 13%. Actually needs to go up way more to be back in the bull market, but the Dow Jones is performing. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Obviously a huge move in the Nasdaq today, but obviously very, you know, it's not off its lows that much. It's actually coming into a little bit of resistance right here. We actually closed right above it. It's only up 8%. We closed right above this line right here. So let's see if we can hold it for the time being. Next resistance level is going to be potentially this trend line right here. As you guys can see, we did break through here, but when we came back, we retested as resistance and we came right back down. Let's take a look at the Russell 2000. And the Russell is into resistance. Right into that 200-day moving average. Beautiful move by the Russell. Lovely. If you guys didn't make any money today, shame on you, because everything was going crazy today. There was money to be made in every sector, in every direction. There was shorts, longs, all over the place. Mostly longs, obviously, from this rally, but man, were there shorts the day before. And look at that, FTT just dumping 21% right now. Back from this rally, closed at $3. Oh man, oh my goodness. It's gone lower. Yes, a lot of people are really bullish on Bitcoin right now because of what just happened today with the CPI coming in lower. Now, I'm not that bullish, and I'm going to tell you guys why. Obviously, I was wrong because I thought it was going to become the CPI was going to come in hotter, and it came in a little bit lower. So that's why the market rallied so much, because lower CPI means the market thinks that the Fed will pivot because they see that the rate hikes are working, right? Well, we'll get into that in just a bit. One second. I'm just pulling up Forex Factory. Just give me 1 second. Be patient. What's up, Doug? Hey, you made it, my man. How's it going? And Doug's been tweeting at me, tweeting our earnings along ADA 0.34. Made them gains. Hell yeah, brother. That's what I like to hear. Now, y'all need to get on the options trades because I think we made over $5,000 this week trading the options, but we'll get into that in just a little bit. Alright, sorry guys, just give me one moment. I'm still reading the chat and everything. Smash that like button. Hell yeah, smash that like button. Alright, let's just show you guys the CPI quickly. Now we can see that the CPI right here came in at 7.7%. Now this is very bullish right now because the market sees that the Fed is going to pivot because the rate hikes are working, right? The 4% interest rates or 3.5% interest rates, whatever they are, it's killing inflation, right? So we're seeing inflation come down right now. Now the market is front running the Fed's pivot, right? by buying now. And we could see a huge rally today, obviously indicating that. We could see a 7% pump in the Nasdaq, 5% in the S&P, right? And another 6% in the Russell 2000, 3% in the Dow Jones, or sorry, almost 4% in the Dow Jones. My room's hot. I'm just gonna open my window. All right, we're gonna keep going, right? And why? We'll review gold in just a second, Jack. Let me just finish what I'm about to say about the market, right? If the Fed sees that the market's rallying, right, and they're gonna see that the inflation's coming down, and they see the economy's not even taking that big of a hit, why would they pivot, right? The Fed's gonna say, "Oh my God, nothing bad's happening to the economy. Right? We could keep rates at these levels. We can even in fact keep raising the rates because of how well the stock market's doing." They're gonna see the market and be like, "Wow, the market's performing really well, even though we're raising the rates so much. It's rallying more than 6% today. Look at that. We could raise the rates some more. There's no damage to be done to this economy. There's no bubble, right?" And that's why I'm not so bullish on this rally. Obviously, I'm bullish because we made some trades today. We made a huge chunk of change, but I'm not bullish on the fact that we're gonna go up to new all-time highs. I think the Fed is gonna take this opportunity, and they're gonna say, "Oh my God, this is gonna be a great opportunity to keep raising rates or keep rates high." And the Fed thinks that the Fed is gonna pivot and they're gonna lower rates sooner than expected. And whatever hawkish statement that they said previously, it's right out the window, right? If the Fed pivots too early, there is more damage to be done in the long term if they do that. And they've already made that mistake of not raising rates soon enough, and they were too late to the party, and that's why inflation is so out of control. And pivoting too early will cause more damage in the long term, and that's what the Fed is scared of, right? So, in my opinion, I'm not so certain that the Fed is going to pivot at the next meeting, right? They may indicate that they're going to pause, right? They may do another 50 basis point rate hike, and then pause, and then wait. And in their statement, they may say, "We think the rates should be a little bit higher, or maybe the rates are at a according level, but we will not be lowering rates for a while." And the market, that's what the market does not want to hear. I'm not mad, Kenny. I'm actually very happy because we got gold performing extremely well, pumping right up to that resistance around 1762. A beautiful pump on gold. And we can take a look at our gold mining stocks. Absolutely crazy, up over 7% today, almost every single one. Obviously we had some 5%, 12% here, 5% there. Mwah! Chef's kiss, beautiful, delicious. I love to see that, right? Again, obviously we have some amazing performing stocks right here, you know, going crazy, up 15%. Almost every single tech stock was up 10%. Absolutely crazy. Amen. Yeah, I'll take a look at gold now, because I've said what I had to say about the Fed pivoting. Actually, let me just see when the next statement is very quickly. I'm gonna get to the gold, Jack. Just give me 1 second. I'm just gonna see when the next FOMC statement is going to be. I believe it is next month. Next month. Unemployment rate. Why don't I just CPI? What's this? No, I don't want that. Why does this keep popping up? I'm pretty sure we have one more rate hike. What's the FOMC statement? What the hell? Am I delusional? What's going on? Alright. FOMC. December 14 is the FOMC statement. Alright. December 14. Let's take a look at where December 14 is quickly on the S&P. December 14 is around this time right here. Right? Okay. This is December 14 right here. What if the market just chops sideways towards the upside here? We have the RSI coming up into December 14. The FOMC statement comes out. They stay bearish. They stay hawkish, right? Or they don't pivot at all. They say inflation's coming down, but it's not coming down fast enough. Poop on the market. Obviously, they could pivot. If they pivot, market will keep rallying, but eventually inflation will get even worse than it is today. And that is not a problem that the Fed wants right now. And anyways, with the rate hikes that they've done, the economic damages are going to come in Q1 of 2023 or Q2 of 2023. There is going to be mass layoffs. Anyways, the mass layoffs have already started. Facebook just laying off 11,000 people today, or the other day, yesterday. So let's take a look at gold quickly. Gold doing very, very well. Pumping up along with the markets, as we can see here. Coming up to 1762, right around this resistance. So we're going to probably see maybe a little bit of upside tomorrow as the gold market will be open, but the stock market will be closed tomorrow. So these contracts can be traded, but it's probably going to be a lot lower volume. So you may see a touch right here on gold, maybe coming into a 1760, and then we could see pullback. If we see pullback, your next support to take a look at is going to be 1725. After that, if we break 1725, you're going to see 1760 or 1780 is going to be acting as support after that. After all, we just had $50 up moves 3-4 days in a row right here. One, right, when a pause, and two, and a pause, and three. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Absolutely crazy. If Chairman Powell takes the Fed rate to 5%, there will be serious trouble. The next rate hike is to be 50 basis points. And let's take a look at what the rate hikes are now. Sorry, what the rates are at now. Because they just did it not long ago. They took it to 4%. So if they take it to 4%, it's going to be 4.5%, right? And they said they see that the rates are going to be higher, right? So they've said this. Although I don't think they're going to be successful in their inflation fight. I don't think inflation is going to come down that much. We could have a period of a little bit lower inflation. But overall, I think inflation will be higher. And I think the dollar will go higher in effect of this. Look at that. Look at the DXY right here. Going crazy today. Let's see if the DXY can hold this bit of a bear bull flag right here, which is a bullish pattern for the DXY. We actually touched these lows right here. Tried to hold them as support. If there's something you guys want me to take a look at, I'd be more than happy to take a look at it for you guys. Just mention it in the chat and we'll take a look at it. Bond yields today also collapsing along with the DXY. Boom! Big drop in bond yields. A big spike in the bond prices. Let's take a look at TMF. Oh, wow. Now that's a spicy meatball. Look at that. Yet, the stock market's closed tomorrow. It's a bank holiday. I'm pretty sure the stock market's closed tomorrow. Is it not closed tomorrow? Huh? I guess not. 2022. Or maybe the Canadian stock market? Maybe that's what I'm thinking. Or is that one not closed either? Ah, the stock market's not closed tomorrow either. Markets are not open tomorrow. Not in Canada, though. Oh, okay. No, the markets are open. The markets are open tomorrow. All right, lovely. We can do some more options trading, guys. The week ain't over. But I'm not working, so you guys are gonna get a full day of options. That's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun day. So if you guys aren't in the Discord already, feel free to join because we're gonna do some options trades, and then I'll show you guys some of the profits that we've made this week already. Some crazy profits, actually. We'll take a look at ETH quickly because there's someone requesting ETH. So let's take a look at ETH. All right, ETH actually, you know, came back down to around this level right here, 1,070, right? And then we could see that we came back up, and we're trying to hold this level of support right now, $1,235. Trying to hold that support. Obviously, you know, we had a big push down, a big push up, and now we're trying to stabilize above this level right here. After all, this level was resistance before, right? And we flipped it as support right here, right here, right here, right here, right? And then we came back up, got rejected. Now we're coming back down. That was fake news. Yeah, I'm spreading fake news by accident. That was just an honest mistake. But anyways, we're gonna make it up with the trades we're gonna make tomorrow. And actually, all right, I'll show you guys some of the profits we made today. I just updated everything in the Google Sheet. I'll go to my website. Let's take a look at the options profit and loss history. We're just banging out trades today, all right? Holy smoke. So this was this week, right? Pretty sure it's this week. Yeah. Oh no, this was last week, so we won't count these days. This is just nice. 970 today, or yesterday. Closing this one in profit, $970. Closing this one in profit, $91, $960, and $12.10 in profit. And again, these returns are crazy. Just love trading options for you guys, and you guys seem to really be enjoying it as well. So please, if you guys are like to trade options, join the Discord. Again, we're not using crazy money to make these gains. I think I used 17 or around $1,900 or something like that to make this gain. Just almost doubling your money. Did you see that BlockFi tweeted that they are not doing business anymore? Really? Let me take a look. Wow, that's crazy. BlockFi crypto platform is pausing all withdrawals. Oh my goodness. Given the lack of clarity on the status of FTX, FTX US, and Alameda, we are not able to operate business as usual. Our priority has been and will continue to be to protect our clients and their interests. Until there is further clarity, we are limiting platform activity, including pausing clients' withdrawals as allowed under our terms. We will share more specifics as soon as possible. We request that clients not deposit to BlockFi wallet or interest accounts at this time. We intend to communicate as differently as possible going forward, but anticipate that this will be less frequent than what our clients and other stakeholders are used to. Wow. The rug pull has begun. Let the rest fall. The mighty has fallen. I'm gonna retweet it. So if you guys actually aren't following me on Twitter, you guys can go down and or go on my main page on YouTube, and you guys could follow me there. Hey, thanks for all the likes, guys. We actually have 15 views and 16 likes. You guys are awesome. That's crazy. I've typed that as you said it. Solana to 0. Burn it to the ground! Ben, the Doomsday Man, has arrived. Trade Sol for ADA. We made a good trade on Sol today too. We made over $100 on Sol. For you guys are following the spot trades. You guys are getting a nice trade today on Solana. And again, I'm just giving you guys these entries. You guys can exit at a later date if you want. I like to take my profits early. So if you guys want to follow, sure, I'm giving you all these entries. I'm exiting earlier because that's my trading style. I like to pay myself right away. I like to secure my gains. Some people like to ride the wave. Be my guest. Yesterday we entered in a trade at 15,800 on Bitcoin. Basically near the lows. On 15,800, that's where we entered a trade. At 45% profit, I took my profits. I exited at 10 leverage. It was enough for me. A lot of my Discord members rode this all the way up, making over 100% today. And some of them used even more leverage, making 200% on their trades. You guys are crazy. I wonder if FTX is the beginning of the onset of the Great Reset. Yeah, it could be. It could be, Jack. It could start something. Let's take a look at Solana quickly. See on the 4-hour time frame, Ethereum's coming back down, trying to hold this level of support right now. Look at Solana coming down to this level right here. Chef's kiss. And basically getting a bounce right from that level. Beautiful bounce on Solana. Again, we made over, how much have we made today? Over 16% on Solana trade, but Solana from the lows was up a crazy amount. Solana was up more than like 60% on the day today, especially on the Bybit chart, because the Bybit chart for Solana went as low as $7, right? The derivatives were detached from the actual price. The actual price on spot was around $12, but the derivatives went as low as $7, and that's why I was trading the derivatives. I was actually able to get a lower price on Solana. I was able to buy Solana around $7, $8 and ride it to a higher price. Actually was averaging down around $9. That's when I started entering my positions on Solana, adding to my trade, and I exited, you know, when we were in nice profits, and then boom, it went up 95% from that point. Absolutely crazy. I love market volatility. I love these market crashes. These are my favorite times to trade. There's so many opportunities sitting out there in the crypto markets, in the equity markets. You guys wanted the moves back? Well, now they're back. Okay? You have now been baptized. You've survived 3 Arrows Capital. You've survived Do Kwon's Terra Luna. You've survived FTX. You have now been baptized. You guys are now OGs. Who is the person not liking the stream? Show yourself. Thank you, Doug. I'm gonna update the profit loss history for the stocks, leverage, and the spot trades. I only updated the options trades, and if you guys trade options, you guys gotta get on it, because that's the way to make money. Buy more miles. Bad comes in 3, only good from here. What do you mean, Kenny? What's gonna happen? Nasdaq's at resistance. S&P blew past this level right here. In 3 days? What happens in 3 days? Oh yeah, I was talking about surviving the crashes. Yes, yes I was. We've been through a lot this year, guys. You guys survived the Bitcoin crash from 69,000 down to 17. You survived Luna. You survived Three Arrows. You survived Celsius, Voyager. You survived FTX, the FTT meltdown. You know, you guys are OGs. There's a lot of stuff that happened. Again, let's see an 86 per 84%, 86%. Come on. Just a wee bit lower. You're almost there. We're retesting this as resistance now. We broke through it. I don't see this as very bullish, to be honest. Let's pay attention to the DXY, guys. Yeah, we broke this line. What if Jerome Powell comes out tomorrow and says there's no chance of a pivot? The markets would be in shambles. We're gonna reverse all the gains. The puts are gonna run then. You guys want some financial advice? I'll give you some financial advice. I never give financial advice, but I'll give you some financial advice. If you have any crypto funds on any exchange that's unregulated or, you know, crazy, put it on a cold storage wallet or get it out. Even BitGet, my sponsor, who knows? You never know. Even I don't have all my fortunes on BitGet. Let's take a look at what Cody said, or sorry, what Jack said. Do you think we could still crash to 12K? 100%. I still think we're going to go to 12, between 13 to 10,000. That's the next stop. Even though we just got a massive rally today, this doesn't prove anything. And we actually closed underneath 17,750, which was a previous low right here. We closed underneath it. And we closed underneath basically this blue trend line right here, which was resistance as well. So we just confirmed underneath right now. So it's looking pretty bad as well. Okay, let's take a look. Jack says all the major exchanges crashes were blamed on Sam Bankman-Fried hunting for stop losses and shorting the various tokens. That seems possible with this kind of rally. Does Coinbase count? No, Coinbase. Jim Cramer took Coinbase out himself. Take a look at Coinbase. Look at Coinbase. Jim Cramer says, we like Coinbase at $475. Good for you. Good for you, Jim. I know some people that were buying here and shit. It's terrible. Some of my friends. Oh my goodness. Galaxy Digital was up 19% today. Bitfarms did not participate in the rally. It actually sold off a little bit. I think it opened higher on the day. These are some crypto stocks. See, open 6% higher, closed lower. Carvana, 31% rally today. Some of the most oversold stocks. And again, a lot of this could be, you know, a short squeeze, right? The short's getting squeezed out because of this rally. You know, there's a lot of shorts right now. A lot of people are short. So this would be the perfect time to squeeze the shorts before we go down, right? If you think about it, love the options except the last two. Yeah, you know, we're not gonna win them all, right? Obviously, I can actually show you. We're not gonna win them all. The SPY, right, is trying to short a little bit of XOM, and the SPY right before market close or around, you know, the last 4 hours of trading. But, you know, it didn't work out, and we cut those losses. And again, compared to the amount that we were making and compared to the amount that we lost, I would say that we made way more money today, right, compared to what we lost, right? If you guys want to do some quick math, we can do some quick math. Oh, I can't edit on this because it's view only, just to show you guys. But yeah, we made over $2,000 today trading Square and CHPT ChargePoint. Yeah, the last two weren't great, but again, they were managed accordingly, and we took the loss on those trades. That's okay. You're not always gonna win. You're not always gonna win every trade, right? But the important thing is that you're making money, and I'm up over $13,000. We're gonna crash. Yeah, I agree. Oh yeah, you guys want to take a look at ARK? Let's take a look at ARK. The ARK innovation. ARK innovation. Oh, we got some big players in the house. 14% on the day, tagging that low and bouncing all the way up here. Look at all that money. Woo! Damn. That's a whole lot of cheddar. It actually closed all the way down here and opened all the way higher. Now you got a gap fill down here at 34. And if you guys want to take a look at some crazy like moves too, you guys can take a look at BlackRock. BlackRock had a huge move as well. BlackRock was up over 13% today. Whoa, Jesus, look at that. Look at that move on BlackRock. I actually want to take a look at some options I was looking at for BlackRock. I think I canceled it. That's crazy. Mind you, this is a financial institution. Or, sorry, an asset management company. It's not like they create cures. You're actually heading into a perfect double top right here on BlackRock. I wouldn't be surprised if we open lower or chop sideways, inch up a little bit, and then... Leave Kathy. She's... Leave Kathy alone. She's my girl. Yeah, no. This is a very unforgiving market. Look at FCT is already down 18%. Take a look at oil. Let's take a look at ExxonMobil quickly. Yeah, big reversal today. But overall, still very bearish. Way overbought. We could come back up maybe to like 113 and then we come way down. Excuse me. A big burp there. Oh no, you're getting some bullish burps. Oh no. Oh no. Holy shit, Fortuna. Fortuna Silvers. Look at this. This stock is from its lows right here. It's up 61%. Madness. I know, everyone's going bananas. Oh my god, my stock is up 14%. Okay, in hindsight, it's not up that much. Even from the bear market rally, it's not up that much. You know, 92%. Okay. Oh my god, let's take a look at another one. Oh my god, Carvana. Where's Carvana? Oh my god, Carvana up over 31% today. Crazy moves, crazy, yeah. From its highs. From the highs, you're down 97%. Peloton. Oh, a huge move on Peloton as well, up 16%. Okay, alright, let's go measure this. Boom, 94%. What's up, Geobase? What's going on, Vicky? Yeah, what's going on, brother? That's ridiculous. Yeah, it's crazy. It's madness. I like Marathon Oil. MRO, it's like oil. Oh, let's take a look at MRO then. Let's see what we get. Marathon Oil. It's like oil 3-time leverage ETF. Oh my goodness. Can I short this? Is it too late? This looks like a double top. Oh my god, if I've ever seen one. Holy Christ. Look at that level. That's beautiful. I'm adding this. I gotta add this one. Oh, I passed it. I passed the oil section. Woo! She's a burner. Yeah, I'm willing to bet that thing's gonna come down. HD. The rule of acquisitions and profits rule. Damn right. Living in a gangster's paradise. Bullish burps and bearish farts. I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna start farting on my videos. Something very nice that Paul said. I'll share the tweet with you guys. I tweeted it out. Paul said, I'll zoom in for you guys. What do you think? You are not popular on YouTube, but you are one of the best. I said, good, let's keep it that way. I like it more. I can focus more on trading. I don't have to worry about YouTube. I'm a very happy trader. I love making money, and everyone in this, there's people that message me that say, I've paid 7 years of your membership in one trade. I'm like, I know. And people are complaining about it. It's too expensive. And he's like, you should raise the price 40 times so they can't get in. I'm not going to raise the price yet. He's looking like a good short the other day, but I didn't take it. HESS. Let's take a look at HESS. Is it the corporation or midstream? Let's take a look at both. Oh yeah, man. That's a beautiful short. Look at this trend line. Boom, 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 boom. Short. Beautiful short right there. Let's take a look at some Bitcoin charts. Look, we dumped into the CPI, and look what happened the next day. We pumped. We might pump back up to 20,000. Who knows? In my opinion, oil is actually looking pretty bad. Oil's bouncing right now from this level of support. But oil kind of formed a little bit of a double top right here. Or an M pattern, if you will, or whatever. But we're basically retesting $94, $95 as resistance now, right? You can see that we were holding this level right here, right here, right here as support, right? And I guess we chopped sideways for a little bit here in this craziness. But overall, we're coming back up now, retesting as resistance and retesting as resistance once again, right? I'd be more inclined to say that we're gonna chop here and then get a move towards the downside, back down to $75. And if we can't hold this level, we're gonna go down to $65 a barrel. You know, inflation came down. Am I going to treat myself to a new car or a house one day with all my success? I think I'm gonna buy more trading software. I think I'm gonna fuel my addiction. No, he has already promised the OG 100 in Discord a lot of money. I forget what we settled on. We'll have to go find it in the history. Oh no! Ben remembers! Oh, we gotta get rid of Ben. Mickey will treat himself to a new M8 BMW. Listen, guys. I'm just here. I will just reinvest my profits until we have enough money to buy our own country. How about that? We're gonna keep compounding our gains in trading until we can buy a country. Oh no, Phil remembers too. No! Live videos here. Thank you, Carlos. I know you guys are my loyal subscribers. ETH USDT weekly. Let's take a look. I don't know which exchange you're using because I don't see it. I'm going on every weekly time frame on ETH USDT. We're on the weekly time frame on Market Cipher. Are you using Market Cipher or are you using a different variant of Market Cipher? Are you using like the Fu Manchu ones, like the ones that are like the ripoff versions? Because those ones won't have the same indicators that Market Cipher has. Because we're on the weekly time frame right here. Oh, regular candles. Regular candles. Well, I use the Haikanashi because that's what Market Cipher is designed to do. Yeah, the regular candles. I see it now. I'm supposed to use Haikanashi though. These are some crazy ways to look at charts. Imagine trading like this. What the hell? Oh my god. I don't think I could do it. No. What the fuck? No. This is too much. These are funny though. What? What are these? I'm sure they're very useful. They're just not useful to me right now. I don't use these range. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna go back in the Haikanashi. What's 100R? 100 ranges? I don't know ranges. Alright. CryptoFace used to say it was the Haikanashi, but said a bunch that it works for either, but there are differences in how he reads it. Yeah, that's true. It also works for regular candles as well. Let's take a look at Dante's Descent, and we'll take a look at my Ethereum crash chart as well. All right, perfect, right on track. Right on track, getting rejected at the 200 weekly. Trust me, there's more to come. I know we're very bullish right now. I don't want to be a party pooper, but I'm gonna. You don't think we got updates on, bounces from these levels too? Look at this coming down, big bounce from this level. This was like a 25% bounce. All right, we're coming down, we're coming down, we're coming down, we're coming down, and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks of coming down. This is still a bear market. I'm staying level-headed. I'm staying realistic. I'm not being perma-bearish. I look at all the factors. Economic conditions, what equities are doing, what the interest rates are. We're going down again. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. It's very possible. Right? Never rule it out. First of all, we're getting rejected from this level right here still on this chart. We are underneath from where we've been, right? We're not back up. With this rally made it seem like we came all the way back up, but really we rallied from 15,000 down up to 17,800, maybe 18,000. Yeah, we went as high as 18,000 today. Ice in his veins. Yeah, I'm saying cool. Ice in my veins. Coffee in my veins. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link's in the description, guys. And if you guys want to know what you're buying, the profit loss history is on my website. I'm going to get a website designer. He's going to get into creating a testimonial page so everyone can post their reviews and stuff like that. So be honest. And I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm just kidding. I'm going to go get some water and I'll be back in 2 minutes, guys. So don't go anywhere. In the meantime, post any crypto or stock that you want me to take a look at, and I'll take a look at it in just a bit. Daddy's back. I really like what Paul said to me today. He said, I'm not popular on YouTube, but I'm the best. I'd rather be the best and not popular than popular and be shit at trading. Like a lot of the YouTubers are. Actually made me laugh so much. Because I think about it, man, those big YouTubers are shit at trading. They're focusing too much on YouTube and not focusing enough on the thing that really matters, which is trading. So let's keep it that way, guys. Let's keep my channel small. Please unsubscribe. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. I'll start crying. That made me laugh so much. Alright, let's keep going. Let's take a look at what could be happening. Right now, we're getting a little bit of downside right now. Nothing too crazy. 35 basis points is nothing. DXY is up a little bit right now. A little bit, you know, up 26 basis points. Nothing crazy there either. Let's take a look at the VIX. Right? Kenny. Where's Kenny? I hope Kenny's still here. Because we got to take a look at the VIX. So we got to take a look at UVXY. UVXY. Oops. UVXY. UVXY actually came all the way back down to $9.37. But at the end of the day, we got a bit of a wick right here. It came back down to $9, right? It started coming back up a little bit. Just a little bit. Right? We're still holding this level. Again, Kenny's been very bullish on UVXY. He's expecting a big shift in the VIX. BTC and ETH coming down to support. Sorry, I'm shaking. A little bit cold. I like what Elon's doing with Twitter. And a lot of people are giving a lot of heat and shit for him, but, you know, when you're trying to build something, everyone tries to judge you and shit on you, and, you know, let's leave the man alone. When he was doing Tesla, everyone's judging him. Electric cars, nobody's gonna drive electric cars. And now it's the future, and now suddenly it's the future. And everybody wants to invest in electric cars. Jesus Christ. Make up your mind. Leave him the man alone. Him, the only man that can raise billions required to save FTX is President Zelensky of Ukraine. This guy, man gets donations all the time. So, I'm sorry, I'm just reading the Twitter. I know, Elon's 10 steps of everyone else, so people are just stupid. And the ones that say he's destroying free speech don't even know what free speech is in the first place. It's kind of funny. You're funny sometimes when you make fun of others. I know, but like it's the truth. I'm just saying facts. It's just nobody's big balls enough to say it. Just call people out like it is. Like Jim Cramer, this guy's so full of shit. I've never seen someone so bad at making calls on the market. Everything he says, the opposite happens. Here, you guys want to see some funny stuff? We'll all laugh together. Let's have some memes. Let's watch some memes. Here. Oh my goodness, I love the inverse Jim Cramer ETF. Oh my goodness. I know people are also complaining about Twitter on Twitter. It's like, I hate it here. I hate Twitter. I hate it here. Then leave. No one's forcing you to stay, you idiot. Just leave. It's so funny. I hate it here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this one's good. This one's good. I'll share it with you guys. Look at this one. Hey, Kramer, lightning round. I'm very bullish on Disney. Very bullish. Published October 3rd, 2022. Disney. I'm down more than 6% after hours. This was after earnings too. I'm very bullish. Another one. Another one. Oh, this one's good. This one's good too. Jim Cramer warns that growth stocks could see more horror after CPI data. I should have read. If I would have read this in advance, I would have changed my prediction. I would have been like, fuck no, we're not going down anymore. We're going to go up. Market went up 7.11%. 7.11. Oh, like, Creamy Kramer. What the fuck? That's so funny. This D is for groomers. You just gone up in my rankings. Yeah, awesome. Thank you, Jason. Appreciate it, my man. Can we hook up? No, we can't hook up. No, I have a girlfriend. She'd be very upset. Why are you asking me over the internet? Oh yeah. Look. Another one. I love these ones. These are so good. Meta up 20% since Jim Cramer started crying on TV about how much he hated Meta after earnings. Oh, the good one. Oh, another one. Oh, this one's gotta be, everyone's gotta get this one. Sam Bankman-Fried doles out credit lines to save crypto institutions. He's the new JP Morgan. Oh yeah, this one aged real well. Little creamy. This guy needs to keep his mouth shut. I know. Oh. Oh god. This guy cracks me up. You know, after the earnings too, after Disney tanked, he was Jim Cramer was calling for the CEO of Disney to be fired. Oh god. All right, that's enough of Jimmy Cramer. I don't want to read his stuff anymore. It's making me laugh too much. Bitcoin's now at 16,930, coming down a little bit. You love my sense of humor. Thanks, my man. Yeah, I mean, these things are just funny to me. It's just hilarious. These people are so full of shit and they're public about it. They're so open about it too. They're like, yeah, I'm gonna tweet every day about how bullish I am about these stocks. And they're just wrong about everything. It's insane to me. Yeah, gold moon today, silver mooned as well. Nat gas didn't really do much. Oil didn't do much either. Well, I find that oil and nat gas don't do too much on CPI report days. Market's kind of invested in all the equities and forex. All right, let's take a look at Dante's Descent. Dante's Descent right here. We can see that that's actually supposed to come back down on this candle, but if it comes back down on this candle all the way down to 10,000, then sure, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen because we only got 2 days left in the week, or I guess 3 days. Sorry, 3 days left. I still think Ethereum will come back down to 200. That's my bearish call for Ethereum. Bitcoin will probably come back down to 34,000, but we're gonna have to get to 10,000 first. We're gonna get a big bounce from there. A lot of people think the lows are in. The lows are in. No, this is not a bear market rally. The lows are in. Okay. Have I been smoking the sweet stuff? No, I haven't. I haven't been smoking the sweet stuff. I have not. I can't. What is Ben saying? What the fuck is he saying? Ben is one of my mods in my Discord. He says, I can't wait to get laid off work and get 6 to 8 months severance package, and then I will have time to follow Mickey's trades. This guy's gonna take his severance money and start options trading, then he's never gonna go back to work. What the fuck? Oh man, I love my mods. Oh, man. No, I haven't been smoking anything. No, not at all. I'm fully sober right now. I'm just having a really good time. But yeah, no, like these market conditions are bananas right now. I love the fucking Ben's making me laugh so much. Ben is the best. Does he know how funny this guy is? Oh man, I know, but like honestly, Ben could do that. Obviously, I only started posting the options profit loss history, but wait till this adds up until the end of the year. People are gonna join. People are gonna join just for the options. And trust me, I'm not using like 20,000, 30,000 to make these gains. I'm using. Oh, by the way, these were just equity trades, but they were in my option account, so I just put them in. But the rest right here are basically all option trades, and 730. Like, look at the percentage return is what you really want to take a look at. 25%, 23%, 74%, 57%. This was a equity trade that I just closed to get rid of the equities out of my options account. and then 103% and 87% today. Obviously, not every single day is going to be like that, but you get the picture. We're just banging out trades in the Discord. I can see the DXY retesting the 104 area. Let's take a look at the DXY. The 104 area is around here. I also have a trend line. Also have a level that I was already looking at around this level for the DXY. So if it comes back down to here, then yeah, I could see the DXY bouncing from these levels. But let's take a look to see what happens tomorrow. If we see the DXY starting to inch back up into like a bull flag formation, then we're most likely gonna retest the 116 area for the DXY. Just keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that, guys. Yeah, if you're in the Discord, and you're a gold member inside the Discord, I'm posting my option trades in the options trade thread. Here, I'll just put it on the disc. I'll just drag the Discord over here quickly. So if you're in the Discord, let's just make this a little bit bigger. There we go. So if you're in the Discord, obviously you'll join in, you scroll down, and if you're a gold member, you can see the options trade chat, right? Which is right here. We could actually take a look. This is where I post the options trade. So we can see that we posted an options trade right here, right? We posted yesterday. I said where I'm entering the ticker CHBT, call, expiration date, strike price, entry, right? And the amount of contracts that I'm buying. And then closing the position today, more than 93% profit. Obviously, this is just like a rough estimate of when I'm entering. And then I do the calculations later. And the gain was actually over 103% on this one trade. So that was actually pretty crazy. And then we have crypto trades as well. Crypto trades, obviously I posted a trade today, got stopped out. I'm going to update the profit loss history tonight. And this was a position that we closed yesterday. Again, this one was 43% in profit. But some people were just following my trades and saying like, thank you. Nice trade, Mickey. See 58% on that trade. Thank you for the trade. Thank you, Mickey. Bought 100 Solana at $13. Sold at 114. Quick scalping profit. You're welcome. No problem, my man. And we have spot trades as well with no leverage, swinging the cryptos, right? For people who enjoy that. Again, this one very high success rate as well. Very passive though. For you guys who are just looking for passive trades, you know, you got a full-time job, but you want to get passive income, you can do spot trades. And if you're not into crypto, we got stock trades for passive income as well. I buy and enter positions and give market analysis every single week as well. Yeah, I'm just giving you guys like a basic tour of the Discord. And for gold members, we have a private gold chat that you guys can ask me questions and get access to personal charts that I create. Yeah. Get market updates for everyone right here as well. Yeah. I think I'm going to make the Discord open again. We're going to find a way to block the scammers because I really, really hate scammers. Gold members 40 US a month. And I get people that say they pay for like 5 years of gold membership in one trade. It's so funny. I think Kukalan paid 10 years of gold membership in one trade, and he's like, I'm staying here forever and buying the lifetime. You can buy the lifetime membership so you don't have to pay monthly. Yeah, I can take a look at cost. I know GeoBase has a lifetime membership. Let's take a look at cost. Oh, you mean Costco? Yeah, take a look at Costco. Wow, Costco, wow. Big move on Costco today. 4.73% up here. Let's take a look. You're actually running into this top right here, into some resistance. But, you know, for Costco, I could actually see it, you know, even going up a little bit higher. It's very possible. You could probably maybe even do something like this. You could actually come up a little bit more. You could go to like 520. Let's see if we have any levels to take a look at right here. Look at that. Well, that's your next target for Costco. Excuse me, I'm burping. Around 520. No problem, Geobase. I'm happy that you're happy. But again, guys, when I say like you're paying for your membership, I'm not gouging you, right? If you're willing to invest in yourself, then you're gonna get something out of it. If you're not willing to invest in yourself and you're saying you're not making any returns, you're not making any gains anywhere on your trades, then maybe you gotta learn or study better. But if you don't want to do that, you could just follow my trades. Yeah, around 520, 525, collapse. It collapsed. Yeah, maybe. Who knows? 520, 524. Yeah, around that area. 525, 520, between 525. I might actually. This is a nice call too. I might enter some put options. We'll see what happens. But yeah, we'll see how she goes. I always got my eye out for some option trades that are here and there. Mickey, what's the next step in Crypto Mickey? Forbes magazine? No. I don't think so, Kenny. Alright guys, I'm getting pretty tired. I might head to bed soon. If you guys have any more questions, hit them with me right now, because I'm gonna end this stream soon. Tomorrow's my day off. I'm gonna be trading all day with you guys. I just noticed that the market's gonna be open tomorrow, so that's really good news. I'm gonna be trading all day with you guys, so be ready for some banging trades. Can I take a look? Can you take a look at HIFM, please? Sure, no problem. Let's take a look at HIFM. Hydro Farms Holding. Wow, what is this? Holy Jesus! Oh my goodness, what's going on? Hydro Farms Holdings, producer, manufacturer, truck construction, farm machinery. Posted big loss in Q2 here. Hydro Farms Holding engages in the manufacturing and distribution of controlled environment agriculture equipment and supplies. It offers lighting, but it's a holding, right? I mean, Jesus. It's off from its highs by big time. It's $2. From this level here, like for doing some... Like I wouldn't engage in trading or holding any stock like this, but you can do whatever you want. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. You do whatever you want. It's your money. Yeah, you can see you're gonna run into a little bit of resistance here, so I guess that's your level for Hydro Farm Holdings right there. You're gonna run into some resistance right here, right around $2.61. You're gonna run into a little bit of resistance, but again, these are like penny. I wouldn't say penny stocks because it's not in the pennies, but you know, these beaten down stocks that are down so much, I would be careful with them, right? I wouldn't go all in on them, and I would obviously be very cautious about how I like trade it, because obviously this level could mean nothing, right? Because since if it's super volatile, this thing could jump up like crazy and completely negate all these levels that I'm outlining to you right now. Icky, let's do a $100 to $1,000 options challenge. We could do that. We could do that. You want to do that? We could do that. We're gonna take a hella risk. I can fund a separate account with $100, and then we could do options challenge. If you guys want to do that, I'm gonna make a poll right now. You guys want to do $100 to $1,000 options trading challenge? You piece of cake. Yeah, let's make a poll. Alright, you guys go vote. Go ahead. I put start an options trading challenge. Go ahead, vote, guys. I'm gonna take a 1-minute break and I'll be right back. And we'll see who the votes are. Okay. It doesn't have to happen in one trade. Oh, I know, 100%. No, this won't happen in one trade, I can tell you that. Oh, Mickey, I have one for you. Check out CI. Okay, I'll take a look at CI. Holy sweet mother of God. This thing is elevated. Jesus Christ, this thing is high. Yo, tell me this lines up. Oh my goodness. Oh my. That's a juicy short. That's a juicy short. I want to short this. Look at that. Delicious. Chef's kiss. Oh, there's so many stocks to look out for. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This thing is ready. Let's look at the monthly time frame. What is this? What depart? House services. Just never going down, huh? Started at $3. Did they pay a dividend? They do pay a dividend. $1.20. Toppy, yeah. Hella toppy. Might even buy some puts on this too. Shit. Looks juicy. Canada Bank. Yeah, 270, 200. Yeah, around this area. Around this area, you're gonna see some support. Right around this area right here. Around this top and this area right here. Let's take a look. One more thing before I get off. Oh, let's take a look at the votes. Alright. Okay. Well, winning by a landslide is yes. Alright. We're gonna do an options trading challenge. But you know what? I don't think I'm gonna do $100 to I don't think I will do $100 to 1,000. I think we're gonna do 1,000 to 10,000 because that's way easier. Beautiful, beautiful short. Juicy, love it. Juicy. Alright guys, I'm going to be heading off for tonight. You guys have a wonderful evening. I won't be doing a Discord live tonight. It's getting a little bit late and I want to do some trading tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow live in the Discord and for some trading for options and stocks and crypto and all that good stuff. If you guys want to join the gold members and make great gains as well, you guys can subscribe with the link in the description. Everything is in there. Profit and loss history is posted on my website. Check it out, guys. I'm going to have a website designer integrated into my website as well. And if you guys haven't already, you guys can sign up for Big Get Trading. But remember, take your main long-term savings for crypto out of the exchanges and put them into a cold storage wallet like a Ledger or any cold storage. Well, not any cold storage wallet. I use Ledger, but you guys can use whatever you want. Not financial advice. And I'll catch you guys later. Love you guys. Peace.